we guide you through how to unfollow someone on TikTok on both iPhone and Android in just a few quick steps. So, the first thing you need to do is to open TikTok app and make sure you are logged in into your account. Then, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. And from your profile, tap following to see the list of accounts you currently follow. Scroll or search for the person you want to unfollow, and once you find them, simply tap the following button next to their name and it will instantly change to follow, confirming you've unfollowed them. You can also unfollow directly from their profile by tapping the following button at the top of their page, which works the same way on both iPhone and Android devices. There's no confirmation pop up, so the change happens immediately, and they won't be notified that you unfollow them. If your following list doesn't update right away, just refresh the app or close and reopen the TikTok.